Bobby YouTube? It's your boy Sweat. We back with another POV ski. And y'all, we are racing to summer class because your boy is about 30-40 minutes away from the campus. And yeah, I can't be late. Class starts at 8. It's 7:39, basically 7:40. So your boy got some moving to do. Goddamn. Yeah, man, you know, just a normal little average college student trying to get to class in his nice old car, per usual. Oh shit. Whew. Oh boy. Then I'm just glad I don't have to go north. I'm going south. Oh my god, that traffic going north, y'all, it's crazy. Stuck into class. Nah, bro, I cannot be late, bro. I can't afford it. Oh boy, please get touched, maybe. Please. Come on. Yeah, there you go. Corner hard as shit. Damn. To be honest, this motherfucker handled good on these shitty ass Pirellis. Definitely want them call them shits, the Michelin Pilot Sports though, for sure. Cause these Pirellis I got, they cool, but well, if you up to a certain speed and you trying to hit a corner, that shit is not your friend. Like, why are you over here? You literally got over here just to drive. Alright. We got places to be. You BSing. Oh, hell no. I ain't got time for all that today. I got somewhere to be. I gotta get gas too. Well, that's just gonna have to wait till. Oh hell no! I ain't got time. Take every gap I get at this point. understand these folks. Shit's crazy about it. 7:44. I think I can make it by 8 o'clock. I think I can do it, y'all. I think I can. Damn, bro, that shit said boom, boom. Holy shit. God damn. Dog, I got the external mics. I've been working on figuring out the audio for them, so in the near future, expect to hear POVs where you'll hear me talk and you'll hear like a clearer audio from the exhaust. So far, y'all, with all the testing I've been doing, that shit sounds crazy. Not gonna lie. But yeah, I'm also start dropping more shorts too once I you know, get my audio dialed in with the mics. Cause yeah, your boy's just trying to push out as much content as possible for y'all, man. But goddamn, traffic just shit got a little thick. Oh hell no. Damn, that motherfucker clapping. Oh shit. Oh yeah, y'all. So, where I'm coming from, why I'm running late today, I went to go get a sandwich from a lady, and for the trade, she texted me while I was still asleep this morning before I got up for school. She's like, if you bring me an allergy pill, I'll give you a sandwich. I mean, I was gonna bring her an allergy pill regardless, but the sandwich was just a plus. But that is why your boy is running late today. I had to go 15-20 minutes out the way just to get her a sandwich. Alright, I was for sure about to take that shit. Ooh boy. Can you go? Like, you driving slow as shit. Damn, boy, that shit sound crazy. Shit. Boy, you got all of that B58, that Catless motherfucker, boy. Love it. I don't know what's up with folks and driving slow now, but that shit ain't it. Hell out the way. Brother got a class to get to, bro. I got 13 minutes. I think that's an undercover state trooper. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get out to me, we. Oh no. No. Come on, bro. Like, if you don't want to drive, get out the left lane, dude. Don't piss me off. Like, bro, you're going fucking what? 60 in 100? Goddamn. Chally up here. Oh yeah, I'm for sure about to get in front of this car now. Damn, no I'm not. up, shouty? Give me a gap and I'm out of there. I promise you I'm up out of there. Oh, I see a gap. I can just get to it in time. We chilling. It look like it's tight knit too. Oh yeah, it's tight as hell. Oh yeah, we through there. Woo, wow. Good morning, highway POV. Trying not to be late to school. Got to be late, got to be late. Oh, I got me a little cut up, buddy. It's a Lexus behind me. I mean, you can't keep up with me if I'm actually trying to drive. Just, damn, drivetrain malfunction towards the end. I'll take it. Fuck it. We almost to where we need to be at, man. From here.
Police reported ahead.
And the police. Oh, he over there. We chilling. Shit. Yeah, he on the other side. I ain't tripping. Wait, did I not just see a state trooper? Tell me he behind me now. Hold up now, hold up now. I swear I had saw blue lights. This drivetrain malfunction really be lame as shit, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. Ooh, but we almost to class, y'all. We almost there. Probably less than like, say less than 6 minutes. Yeah, probably definitely less than 6 minutes. For sure. I'm gonna restart this car though once I get to a light, cause yeah, I'm not driving in limp mode. I'm just not trying to do it. That's love. Just get that fag on through. That's what we do. Oh, we might be good. We might not even get a chance to restart the car. If we don't, it's alright. I mean, we almost there anyway. Hey man, I was a good rip while it lasted, goddamn. Boy, we was getting it. Oh yeah, we smooth, we green. We to the campus on this one. Oh boy, I got the hiccups too. Nah, that ain't it. That is not it at all. Oh boy. Alright y'all, we have made it to the campus with 6 minutes to spare, 7:54. That was a hell of a ride to start the day, I'm not gonna lie to you. But this is just POV number one of many of me racing to school, since I am currently still a college student. So y'all, don't be alarmed, we still have plenty more videos of these sorts coming. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let's try to get 20 likes on this video. Nothing crazy, just a little smooth 20. If y'all can get more, give me more. Thank you. But it's your boy Sweat. I gotta run a class now, y'all. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. I'm out.